So we are playing ultimate rock, paper, scissors. So when you enter the gym, go ahead and sit down with your class. The teachers will get a bag of tickets to pass out. There'll be a little note in there that tells you what to do. What students will get 2 red tickets and teachers are going to get 5 blue tickets. Once everybody's in there and welcomed, everyone will be excused to go down to the gym floor to play ultimate rock, paper, scissors, and you can play against any other student. So the rules are as follows. The point of this game is to try and collect 10 or more tickets to get to the next round and keep repeating that to be the winner. So you're going to play a game of rock, paper, scissors against another person. The winner gets a ticket and then you go play against another person. If you end up collecting 10 or more tickets, you're going to go over to the wall where the head Huskies will be waiting for you, and you'll wait for the next round. And then if you lose all of your tickets, you have no more tickets, then you're going to go back to the bleachers where you were sitting with your class and cheer on other players. Now there is a teacher challenge. If you are able, as students, to collect 5 or more tickets, then you can go find a teacher that's out on the floor and challenge a teacher. But be warned, it is all or nothing. The winner will take all of the tickets. So if you have 5 tickets and you lose to a teacher, you just lost all 5 of your tickets. But if you win against a teacher, you get all 5 of their tickets. So big reward, big risk. It's up to you. So, and if a teacher can collect 20 or more tickets, then they can advance to the next round as well. So after the first round is over, students that have collected 10 and teachers that have collected 20 tickets will all get to start over. The students will start with 2 again and teachers with 5, and we'll play the next round. Now, just in case you've been living under a rock, then nothing, guys? Yes, okay. Just in case you've been living under a rock and aren't sure how to play rock, paper, scissors. So everyone is going to rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Everyone needs to say it. You're doing your gesture on the word shoot. And you put one of either scissors or rock or paper. And if you have scissors and paper, the scissors cut the paper. If you have paper and rock, the paper covers the rock. And if you have rock and scissors, the rock crushes the scissors. So rock, paper, scissors. So if you end up playing the same gesture, play again. So there is a winner, but you've got to go rock, paper, scissors, shoot, so that you're doing the gesture at the same time. And so you'll just hold your tickets in one hand and play kind of in the air with the other. All right, we are back. Thank you, Head Huskies, for showing us how it's done. So some reminders. So if you win, take the ticket, and losers will kindly pass the ticket over. Guys, we're playing rock, paper, scissors. It's not the end of the world, okay? We're not pitching a fit. Do sit with your 5th hour class or your assigned teacher. We're not stomping on the bleachers. Do have fun and cheer for others, and don't be unkind to others. And we can't wait to see who the ultimate rock, paper, scissors champion is.